Alright, so there is no denying the fact that your hair is probably one of the most important grooming asset on your face, or at least on top of your face. Gentlemen, good hair days followed by good hairstyles can instantly elevate your mood, your confidence, your personality, your character and your overall charisma. But bad hair days, gentlemen, can make things equally worse in no time. Now, my job here is to stop you from having any bad hair days as humanly as possible. So it doesn't matter if I get shot to death for it, I will keep doing it. Therefore, in this episode of Men's Essentials, the Agents, let's share, let's talk and let's discuss the 5 horrific reasons, the 5 most stupid reasons why your hairstyle sucks ass. Gentlemen, my name is Mayank Bhattacharya, this is Men's Essentials. Let's roll the intro. Okay, so getting right into it. The very first reason why you may look like a hen or a crow with fringes on top is because you are just misjudging your hair. Rather, you are misjudging the hair length. I mean, it's either too short or too long to style. You see, if the goal here is to rock a quiff or a pompadour, you and I both know for a fact that we will need some volume on top, some length on top to make it happen. If the goal here is to rock something spiky or something clean cut from the 4G lot, then you and I both know for a fact that the sides need to be short and tapered. Very easy, very basic concepts. Still I see men screwing it up. Still I see men reading it wrong all the time. So mistake number 1, misjudging your hair length. The easiest way to fix it, research on your hair length, research on the hairstyle that you want, and then proceed further. Mistake number 2 that most men make to screw up their amazing possible hairstyle is not getting the perfect haircut for that perfect hairstyle. I mean, agreed that most of the Indian hairstylists suck ass. Agreed that most of them don't know shit about your hair texture, your hair type or your hair length to master it and do it the right way as many would ask. But boy, there are a few gems out there, and trust me when I tell you this, when you do end up finding your master hairstylist, when you do end up finding your Ganesh for your hairstyles, there is no going back, there is no turning back to any hairstylist, any barber ever again. Gentlemen, the existence of a good hairstylist, the reason why good hairstylists and good barber are there in this world and the job that they do is highly underrated. I mean, I cannot tell you its importance and I cannot tell you how amazingly talented they are. I mean, the way a good hairstylist, the way a good barber can understand your hair texture, your face cut, your face type, your lifestyle and your personal style in general is so important. I mean, I got this haircut after so long. We have been experimenting for this hair. I and Ganesh have been experimenting for this hair since very long, and he's this man who understands me and my life and what I do and what kind of style do I look forward to. Therefore, he's this man I can truly trust with my hair. That's the very importance, that's the very need of a good hairstylist in your life. I mean, I am very lucky that Ganesh knows and understands my hair and my life and my personality and all my jobs and does the hair accordingly to everything else that I could ever ask for. I mean, it's a very small thing, but it's a very rare thing to have, and I wish you all have the same with your barber, with your hairstylist. So remember this, gentlemen, everything can be enhanced or diminished quite instantly via a good hairstylist, via a good barber. So find him, find her and keep him or keep her forever. I mean, if he is your soulmate, if she is your soulmate of hair, then just don't let her go ever. Anyway, stupid reason number 3 why your hairstyles suck is because you don't ask questions. I mean, come on now, how complicated is that? Your barber is doing her job, is doing his job for a reason. Your hairstylist is a hairstylist for a reason. Gentlemen, he is there to help you with your hair, he is there to help you with your life and with your style. So ask him all the freaking questions about hair and hairstyles you can. I mean, ask them about products, blow dryer, ironing, shampoo, conditioner, I don't care. Ask them any doubts, any questions that you have about the amazing hairstyles. They are there to help you. They'll be more than happy to help you with the same. But the stupid reason number 4 that just follows through is you not doing anything by yourself. I mean, if you want that perfect hairstyle on your apparent handsome face, well then you have to do it. You have to practice it. You have to keep learning new things about your own hair texture, your own hair length, different products, all the freaking time. I mean, your barber can't be with you all the time to help you get your hairstyle done. Your super talented hairstyle can't be there with you all the time to get the amazing quiff or pompadour done. You have to learn it by yourself and you have to keep doing it, keep practicing it on yourself. As simple as that. And lastly, the most important hairstyling mistake, the most important hairstyling tip number 5 is being patient. or the lack of it. You see, you need to understand this, you need to realize this, and you need to memorize this, that all the GQ models, all the Instagram models, all the YouTube influencers didn't get their perfect hairstyle overnight. They had the patience and they were consistent at their quest to finding and styling their perfect hairstyle all the time. There was a price that they were willing to pay, and look at them now, look at their amazing hairstyles right now. I mean, let's take my case for example. I have been rocking this apparent 4G inspired undercut for very long now, and this wasn't my haircut, this wasn't my hairstyle, and I did not know shit about hair or hairstyles back in 2009 or 2010, but I have learned a whole lot more about hairstyles and hair products by myself, and therefore that's the reason I can have this apparent average decent haircut or hairstyle on my face all the time. Now agreed that this may not be your ideal haircut, agreed that most of you may not even like this damn haircut, but hey, this makes me look 10 times more, 1000 times more attractive, 1000 times more confident, and 1000 times more smart and sexy than what I used to way back in 2009 or 2010. I did not find this, learn this, or mastered this overnight. It's a process, and you have to learn to enjoy the damn process. Anyway, in case you want to watch this video in Hindi, you can definitely do that by clicking the link in the description box. And yes, if you want to see a whole detailed video on how to get this haircut done, how to style it, then I and Ganesh actually sat and made a video on this on the Hindi channel. It's a 13-14 minute long detailed video on this hairstyle, on my apparent 4G undercut hairstyle. If you are interested, you can watch it, you can take it with you to your barber and get this haircut done for your handsome face. Now, on that note, I'll get back to work, I'll make more videos. Thanks a lot for watching. Don't forget to check out my Instagram, because I've been posting a whole lot more daily videos, photos, and epic lifestyle things to help you be a better man every day, so I can definitely recommend you do that. Check out the link in the description box for all the good things. I'll make more videos, I'll see you in the next one. Press up, stay strong, and stay stylish. My name is Mayank Bhattacharya. Thanks a lot for watching. I'll see you in the next one.